Hi everybody, bit of a different singing session this week because it's the Easter holidays, but a great chance for us to come together to sing a few songs. And we're going to start off with one of the warm-ups we did on Sing Up Day called the Warm Up and Stomp Canon. Each line repeats, so if you don't get it straight away, don't worry, you get 2 chances at nearly every line. And it goes like this. Ready? And an up and a down, and a forward and a back, and an up and a down, and a forward and a back, and around, and around. This way, and that way, and this way, and that way. Touch your knees, touch your knees. And choose our head voice. And count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stomp 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catch 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clap 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Click 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Turn 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Not bad. Let's do it one more time. And an up and a down, and a forward and a back, and an up and a down, and a forward and a back, and around, and around. This way, and that way, and this way, and that way. Touch your knees, touch your knees. Eh, 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 eh. Eh, 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 eh. Ready? Count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stomp, stomp. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Patch, patch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Clap, clap. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Click, click. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn, turn. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And jump, jump. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Well done, everybody. Whew. I'm warmed up. Let's start with one we've been doing each week. My dog is a good dog. Are you ready? That was meant to happen. My dog is a good dog. Yes, he is. My dog is a good dog. Yes, he is. For he sits and bangs and he stands up tall, chasing his tail all around the hall. My dog is a good dog. Yes, he is. Not bad. Can we give it another go? It's time 2 goods. My dog is a good, good dog. Yes, he is. My dog is a good, good dog. Yes, he is. For he sits and begs and he stands up tall, chasing his tail all around the hall. My dog is a good, good dog. Yes, he is. Not bad. 3 goods this time. My dog is a good, good, good dog. Yes, he is. My dog is a good, good, good dog. Yes, he is. For he sits and bangs and he stands up tall, chasing his tail all around the hall. My dog is a good, good, good dog. Yes, he is. Excellent, very well done, everybody. Okay, I'll be back with you in just a second whilst I repair the words that have fallen down. Okay, nothing to see here. Me very, very nearly wasn't at one point. But I'm very excited. My brand new musical instruments arrived today. Now, this is brilliant, but unfortunately I'm not that brilliant on it yet. I'm no Mrs Dolling, I'm afraid. So I'll have to Les Dawson my way through this. If you don't know who Les Dawson is, just ask your parents. In fact, probably ask your grandparents. But what is brilliant is our next song, one of our favourites, Thank You for a Million Brilliant Things. One, two, three, and thank you for this day and all it brings. Thank you for a million brilliant tomorrow and for yesterday and for every day we see. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Thank you for the sunshine and the rain. Thank you for the life that they sustain. Thank you for our peace and harmony. Thank you for our strength and unity. Thank you for tomorrow and for yesterday and for every day we see. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Thank you for our parents and our home. Thank you for the love that they have shown. Thank you for the school and all its care. Thank you for the teachers who live there, who work very hard. Thank you for tomorrow and for yesterday and for every day we see. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for the freedom to be me. Okay. Thank you very much. I really like that song, but there's lots of things we can be thankful for at the moment. So, I'm wondering, my challenge to you, can you write a new verse for this piece? Might be about doctors or nurses or someone who's looking after you. It might be about postmen. It could be about anyone who's helping us at the moment. Listen to the chord, listen to the verse, and see if you can make some words that could fit to it. You could stick with thank you for each line. That would make life easier. So can you write something which will fit to those words and maybe add it to your to blog? And perhaps, just perhaps, we might be singing your version next time we all meet together. So, if you can get me your verses to thank you for a million brilliant things, and why not write them on your blog on Purple Match? Okay, time for our final song. It's Give Me Oil in My Lamp. Now I'll go for a lyrics review. Let's make sure we don't have of Kings over and over again like we usually do. Ready? Sitting up smartly? Okay. Give me oil in my lamp, first verse. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Keep me burning to the break of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Not bad. Give me joy in my heart, ready? Give me joy in my heart, keep me singing. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me singing. Keep me singing to the break of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Not bad. Give me love in my heart. 1, 2, 3. Give me love in my heart, keep me serving. Give me love in my heart, I pray. Give me love in my heart, keep me serving. Keep me serving to the break of day. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Give me peace in my heart, keep me resting. 1, 2, 3. Give me peace in my heart, keep me resting. Give me peace in my heart, I pray. Give me peace in my heart, keep me resting. Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna, sing Hosanna to the King. Okay, well done. I hope to see you next week. Hopefully I'll have some more music links for you next week for some other instrumentalists you can listen to and some other fantastic musicians. Until next week, see you later.